Hello, howdy do, Ben Coton here again, and welcome back to another unboxing of the Campark 4K Action Cam. Let's get straight to it, shall we? Yes indeed. So, unfortunately the cardboard box that it came in, my son took it, so I'm just unboxing it, or unpackaging it really, that's what we say. So there we are, nice Campark logo just there. So this is the little bag. We've got a nice handle and a zip and a nice carry case. So in the pack we have a battery, a remote control, so that does the video and the pictures, still shots. In here we have the camera itself, so that's very nice. And it comes packed in the waterproof housing too, with a little adapter onto the bottom of it. So there's the buttons, very good. So we have various attachments. Here we are, more attachments, more attachments. Here we are back again. Sorry, we had a little bit of a problem there. The camera decided to fall off its tripod. So we have various other attachments. There's another back plate, looks there, and other attachments, more. Yes, they're all attachments. We have another battery, so that's interesting there. We have in the top a USB cable. We have a strap, probably a wrist strap. Yep, wrist strapperoonie. Then more wrist straps. Yeah. So that's good. We have some more attachments, some wire and a cleaning cloth. Apologies, I'm having to do this one-handed now. A surprise by sharing your experience. A little instruction book. And no, that's not an instruction book. This is an instruction book. So that's the camera. Brilliant. Stand by for a first look and a review of this wonderful camera. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Like this video and subscribe to my fantastic channel for more videos coming very soon. Check out my other videos, I probably said that first, and be nice to each other. Bye bye.